Hadien balada ban penyaso akan National People's Party UMLA ka Mylliem ba Roni Vilingdo ula ong ba kidan bun ki kam ki ba ka Sorkar MDA kalale ki ba long ka chingmanto ye ki pat ba ka jela uba Roni ula ya thuru ba ka ne ka jing penyaso ajung usha ka party kam dei shu ka kam ka bathamai namar ka jing akran ka dei ka pala slamba
So, like I said, I was earlier requested by the NPP to join them before the election, after the election, after two elections, 18 and 23. Of course, 18 I lost, but 23 I returned back. There was a request from the party to join them, but I didn't do it because then the people started requesting me, and then you can see, I think, that I joined without the people's concurrence. I don't think it would have happened. Right.
So, how do you see this?
I think that it augurs well for the stability and development of the state, because sometimes when there's no stability, it affects the development, the governance, and I believe with the stability now, then there is augments well for the development of the state and especially my constituency, which I loved it. Yeah.